Okay, there they go.
All right, I got one left here on Tesla.
Let's see.
Yeah, Tesla's too strong.
Hmm. Says I'm dropping a lot of frames. Holy crap. Hmm.
Amazon week.
Let's see.
It's tough to say right now, right? It's really
Let's
tough to
see.
say. The market,
I definitely felt that stop.
Tesla pushing high day. QQ is sitting in the middle of the range. SPY new high day again here. So, the market is really all over the place right now. So this is not a market for beginners, that's for sure. A few days ago, this was definitely a better market. But need to be a little bit more patient here. Just need to be a little bit more patient. The market has been gifting us setups for the last 2 months. Right? The last 2-3 months, it's just been gifting us setups, which is why I went from being up, I was up like 200,000 on the year to 600,000 in a few months. Now, only up like.
Bro said he was up 600,000 this year.
So.
Where is that?
Did I get in Tesla yesterday?
Alright, let's see if the YouTube is gonna work for me.
SPY sitting here high day still.
Alright, the Zoom is still working. Okay, it looks stable right now. But sometimes the YouTube, it was streaming in like 720p, which is pissing me off. Oh, it looks better today. When he stops talking, it kind of scares me. I feel like I froze.
Tomorrow look good if we can.
Alright, we're live on YouTube.
On by the end of the day. Right. Overall, this looks like a great setup. Which this could be a potentially good swing also, which I will definitely be looking at towards the end of the day.
Let's see. I'm gonna leave it up for a second. Things seem to be moving. Whenever stuff freezes, I'm like, I'm watching this. I want this.
So, SPY continues to make new high day after new high day.
I want this.
But then sees a decent size retraction after every.
This is like really the only reason I'm sitting here, just waiting on this NVIDIA breakout. We're live on YouTube. I don't know if we're gonna get there on NVIDIA today.
Palantir.
Amazon.
I hate trading this name, but that worked out very, very well. Higher lows, lower highs. This is what we look for every single time. Right, clean resistance break right there, volume inbound, and breaks through. I hate the way a few names trade. The options, the stock, Palantir, Boeing, Neo, Bed Bath & Beyond.
Neo.
So, alright, Tesla fully rejecting here now. SPY also
Meta
fully
now
rejecting again.
with some weakness.
Adobe, I don't really have a problem with Adobe.
I feel like
Decent setup here though. Brent has higher lows. It's kind of close.
I feel like I'm getting a little.
So that low here, and it has lower highs. So big wedge overall. Pretty solid setup.
I can feel a little bit of the choppiness, but it's not.
This is why I said for a swing, we would need to see wait to the
I
end
think
of
it's
the
this top screen. This top screen right here is what's
So,
causing
the last 2 days,
This top screen right here is what's causing all the
Price
lag
action has been
on
pretty ugly.
everything. This is what's causing lag.
I wouldn't even be surprised if we hit low a day again.
The top screens, like this is what's causing the lag. And I was thinking about moving the charts to Weeble. Just going and downloading Weeble and moving the charts to Weeble. Because I just need the charts. Let me see. I was thinking about moving the charts to Weeble and then. Okay, I'm downloading streaming and I'm doing this. But anyway, I was thinking about moving the charts to Weeble and then taking this screen, because this screen is what's killing me. Everything else is fine, but this screen right here, so if I can just put it on a different platform, because Thinkorswim is the one that's, and then just execute on these screens, because that's what he does. He has TradingView, and TradingView is just stable.
Alright, so Tesla sitting on this flag.
To have this many screens on TradingView, I would have to. I think what he does is he just watches like 4 of them and puts alerts on the rest of them.
Since that open, Rivian selling off.
Maybe I'll have to do that. Having these 12 up here is just. I have to pay $500 for this on TradingView. No, this is Thinkorswim.
Not that bad of a setup. Higher lows, lower highs.
AMD, Jesus Christ.
Set the alert here up high. If this is a breakout, looks pretty
AMD
good.
AMD ski. It's not looking so hot. AMD ski, what's going on, dog? You're not doing so well.
IWM. So I mean, you could have drawn it like this. It already broke through. You could try and play this high break. So over 224.78, it could be pretty solid. It has been very strong, right? A lot of the market has rotated into IWM. So, that's a good. That's good for IWM. We kind of have this wedge here, though. Right? It kind of broke out, rejected that previous resistance. So over 224.78, yeah, it looks pretty good. I'll set the alert there. SPY also pushing back up towards high day now again after selling off. Lots of ping pong.
Not doing great. Not doing great. I'm happy my meta's holding up. Holy crap.
This week is flying.
Rivian.
This is going to be my first, well, as of now, I'm red on the week. First red week in a few months. Which is great, honestly. It's not great, it's amazing.
No, literally. I would literally fucking cry if I had one fucking green week. Now I have green weeks, so they just get absolutely obliterated by the red. Nvidia. Don't believe in quit. How's it going? You see that?
3 months.
A little lag. I'm live on YouTube and it's being fine right now. And I downloaded that Weeble too, so I gotta. Hmm. Why? Open these folders. So I'm live on YouTube. I don't know if I would do this at the open though. That's my
80% of your
issue.
portfolio yesterday. What would I don't risk that much. Number one, what's your account size? If your account size is 1,000, you know, or anything small, you need to be way more selective, right? The channel account is at 4,000, and I'm only down 200 on the week. But if you're down 80%, you're sizing way too big, way too big. But that's gonna happen. You know, if you're a new trader, that is going to happen, but you want to prevent that as much as possible.
I'm gonna install this
Spine's still
Weeble.
holding here. Tesla's still trying to hold that wedge break. Coin pushing lower here.
I have a Weeble account.
Apple's loose. Apple's still
No, Nvidia!
lower.
Don't do this to me.
Can I check Microsoft? Sure. So it's sitting near the low of day. QQQ looks like it wants to die. Yeah, if QQQ breaks these
This is
lows,
Weeble
41.7,
desktop.
it's not gonna look good.
The only
Spy
thing
sold
that I
window
need on here is
confirmed,
the chart.
Up 1%. It's getting close to this resistance here.
Yeah, and I need it to be in dark mode. Holy crap. My eyes are about to
If you have a
my
5,000,
eyes bleed. How do
I would use about $300 to $500 per trade.
dark mode?
Right? On my 4K channel account,
Jesus,
it's at
okay.
4K. I've been doing about 500 to 600 per trade.
See how smooth this is? Way more smooth than
Marco, 100% on LLY here. You're holding AMD shares. If you're holding these shares, you know, you gotta figure out your strategy here. Right? Shares is long term typically. You know, look at their overall market here on AMD. You know, a little dip is nothing, right? It's down 15% from the highs. So, you know, we do have these higher lows that we're testing. So we'll see if that can hold. But, you know, shares is a totally different game.
How do I want to see if this will work.
In the middle of today's range still. Cat.
Oh, the most you can have is 9.
Make sure you're not looking out like the 3 minute or the 1 minute. Yes, it's flagging here, but look at the time frame you're on. Get off that low time frame.
And a grid.
I would not enter here.
Most you get R6. We'll take this off. Video, no. What? I gotta change the time. What the? I wouldn't change. Oh, 5 minute here. 1 hour. I'll have the 2 hour too. 15 minute. I never trade the 1 minute. Oh, day, week, month. I don't need that. 1 hour. Do I need the 30-minute? I either need the 15 or the 30. I think that the 15 is fine.
Alright, so these are pushing lower. Hopefully it's anything there. Taking my profits on that trade. So made a few
Ah, I
thousand back
missed
on
the
there.
Google short. I wanted that.
QQQ is testing lows here. Look at this.
How do I add another?
QQQ. So after hitting high day, we are really pulling the plug. Tesla's still kind of holding. SPY also big sell-off. Every breakout has been rejected so far, even the one we just got a W. I just looked also. My first red week in 3 months. Wow, new low a day, new low of yesterday also.
Yeah, I want to set this up to see if it'll work. No, Meta, no. Amazon.
I'm just trying to be more patient on these setups right now. But let's see if this holds. Let's see if it's another fake out. I don't know. A lot of fake outs recently. I just looked. So it's my first red week in 3 months. I went from 600,000 to $1 million in 3 months. This week, I'm down about 35 to 40 grand. So, small bump in the road. But
he went from 600 grand to $1 million.
Follow the plan.
Now he's down 40 grand.
And we'll get right back up. Right back up.
Guess that was me. What up, Prince? No, Nvidia is selling off slow. Amazon is selling off fast.
So again, it is trying to.
Amazon opened at 190.
We do have a bunch of supports here below at 480.
I wonder how my Core Z is doing. Nvidia was doing so well. I think I need to just start removing anything.
Look at SPY. SPY is really pushing to the downside here now. We're right back into yesterday's zone.
I need to remove like everything that's not relevant here. Nvidia's chilling actually. ARM moving down pretty big. Apple finally breaking down.
Alright, QQQ really pushing down here. So look at Tesla. Tesla's rejecting right at that resistance. What else we got? SMCI still selling off. Coin breaking further down here. It's not a stressful market. I don't think it's. You shouldn't be stressed. It's choppy. It's been choppy, and it's been a weak market. So just need to, make sure you're aware.
You're buying puts.
QQQ breaking further down here though. Wow, I didn't realize it was 10:30 already. If you're stressed, step away from the screens. That needs to be immediate. If you feel stress or any kind of motion like that, you need to immediately step away from the screen.
I just wish I wouldn't have lost it with size this morning. I don't even care about that TSM loss, but it's just like, fuck. When you're on a losing streak, every fucking loss feels so much worse. AMD just
QQQ.
literally
Selling
skipped.
off, breaking that support. SPY is testing
Not
slow
one
now.
single pullback, not
So
one
after
single white
making
candle.
multiple new high days, we are approaching yesterday's low.
I hope the video doesn't break down.
Watermarks. I honestly hate having the watermark here. It blocks the screen. So I'll always mention the ticker though if I post anything. But yeah, if you post any kind of chart in the chat, please include the ticker.
Video, please do not break down. That's the one that I don't want to break down. I know.
Remove this here.
Enhanced market.
Very, very choppy market.
I have his link in my bio. You can join his Discord. Usually I wear headphones, but today I didn't. With his. Usually I wear headphones with it though. Because I'm like paying for it. But today I don't feel like it. You can literally go in the bio and join the Discord. He said that he would fly. He would go. He goes. It's an all expense paid trip to Ibiza if you get 100 referrals. I'm like, what the fuck? So y'all sign up with my link so I can get to Ibiza.
A firm wasn't able to break out there. Could try and set an alert there and play that if we start to break through. AMD continuing to sell off, showing a ton of weakness.
Yeah, AMD is getting fucked.
Amazon broke that low again.
Meta strength though. Dude, NVIDIA, stop. Stop it now. Stop it. I'm so upset with Amazon. I was up so much in that. Oh well. On my other account, on the shares account long term. I bought some Core Z today, so let's see what that's doing.
Sitting right at that low from yesterday.
As long as Core Z maintains above like $10, I'm staying
I want
in that.
everyone to size smaller. Right? Until we can gain some momentum here, size smaller. If you can't handle the losses. Right? You should always be sizing small no matter what according to your account. But especially now, the market is just continuing to sell off.
This is what, a bank stock or something?
Tesla is now dropping down here below 252. QQQ still selling off here. And SPY breaking below.
This thing's been down a lot. I mean, it's curling back up now, but...
Use Alertsify also, you know. That should be hooked up to the
it
source.
needs to get over 12 and a half to start showing. Dude, NVIDIA, are you fucking serious? QQQ down. SPY down.
Alright, QQ really selling off here still. SPY selling off big time. Yeah, I mean, if you caught puts, great. but who knew it was gonna, you know, break fully through here. Don't look at how much those puts are up. That's for sure. That won't help you.
Nvidia, no, no. Things are not going well.
Your DT's probably got to be up 200, 300%.
Sounds like a train wreck. What, MYCB? Yeah, that
so
is.
Tesla selling off still.
Bank stock.
Nvidia approaching.
MYCB looks
Nvidia
terrible, honestly.
after hitting
Doesn't
high
look
day.
like something I want to be in.
And now testing the lows.
Apple. Damn, that Google one looks so good. AMD just, I don't even know. Is it just gonna stop or not? Holy crap. AMD. Jesus Christ.
VIX is definitely, VIX is breaking out, so we might see continued downside here, but you can't get in here. Getting in here is not, I mean, actually look at SPY. We have a huge level here on SPY right now, 555.83.
I'm surprised people aren't buying here. It's like there like hasn't even been any good places to buy over the last whatever.
We'll see. Market's been weak the last few days.
And now it's going down and people aren't buying. It's like what? It's like we've been at all-time highs for so long. ASML, do you think Nvidia will go back up? Of course Nvidia is going to go back up. What the hell? Nvidia just went on a 500-point run over the last like 3 months. ASML, gap down, fading on bad earnings. Oh wait, no, I had good earnings. Good dividend. They need to stock split this. Kind of broke that uptrend though. Yeah, ASML looks better over 1,000. This is expensive stock.
So
I want to look at S&P or CMG. I trade options. We're trading options. What? I thought it split. Why is it? Oh, okay, there it was. CMG was showing like 2,000 for a second.
Tesla's still green on the day though.
Damn.
SPY bouncing off 583.
CMG split their stock and it. Why do I have 2 alerts here?
Yeah, SMCI could trade there. Worked out very well.
If I would have waited one more second, I would have not taken that TSM trade. Woulda, coulda, shoulda, I guess.
Alright, I'm gonna hop out here. I'm not taking anything else right now.
Chipotle, what happened to the stock?
We'll see how
It was like literally
here.
ripping. It's been up every single hour for
hasn't been my week.
months.
So,
now it's split and now it's down.
No need to force anything right now.
50 to 1 split.
Back on here at 245. See if any setups present itself. If not, we
Good time to buy more AMD.
There's a setup. We'll execute. Marco on fire right now. Right. What's one person's weakness is another person's strength. Another person's strength is another person's weakness. Right. Marco is on fire right now. LOI, he just hit 300% on. So there you go.
On the daily, 153 looks good on AMD.
Awesome trade there. Good stuff.
150 is okay. I think you have to hold it down to 140 though. Underneath 140,
Come on, man.
and
Don't do
I
Marco like
don't
that.
want to be in AMD anymore. I think even like 145 is okay on AMD.
Yeah, SPY big level. I want to kind of watch this.
From the top, it went from 210
Not taking
to
anything, so is there a
150.
point?
So that's 60 points, and we're down from 190 to 1. So we're down 40 points. Well, no, I think this is a good time to buy. 155, 153 area, but I think 148 is also, 145 is also kind of a level. But a daily close under 145, I don't like it anymore.
Good news is 2 weeks until Section 8 payment. Landlord out there.
LANC, is that small cap?
Ton of you guys now.
Do you teach as well for beginners? Yeah, but I'm not gonna teach you how to like be profitable. I'll just teach you how to use the platform and like what to do,
Yeah, SPY's getting clapped.
how to buy options and stuff.
SPY's getting clapped.
Basically like super beginner stuff. I feel like I could help
Nothing
you
better
just.
than real estate income. It's consistent, it's passive. Your first property takes a long time to acquire because obviously you're nervous, you don't know what to do. But
Are you just talking about this real estate?
it's worth it. And once you have one, you'll slowly scale to 2. Once you have 2, you'll get 4. Once you have 4, it's a breeze from there.
Small mid cap Lance.
And then you have a steady 2,000 to 2,500 a month coming in.
There's
And
no
it
volume.
becomes, a game from there on out.
There's no volume here. No liquidity. Like 4 trades a day on that stock.
My next webinar, I'm gonna do I think on managing your own rental. Instead of hiring a property manager, doing it yourself, how you can get the deal, how you can get it rent ready, how you can list it, how to screen tenants, how to go about having them walk the property, and how to get the tenant in there, how to deal with the housing authority with the contract all signed up, and maintenance. I think that's what I'm gonna do next. Maybe I'll do it next week.
I think I'm down on everything on my other account.
Well, I think that would be super knowledgeable and super
Let's see.
helpful for everyone.
Nvidia leading the way because I'm heaviest I'm heaviest in Nvidia. And I was hoping that Nvidia
What's SPY
would
doing here?
break out here, back up
So
to the upside.
bouncing off 555,
Thanks for
83.
the share. Lance doesn't have enough volume. I am
This was a
streaming
wild
on
rally.
YouTube and it's holding up to me.
Not one red candle.
Hmm.
But alright, it's 10:50 here.
I might try. I want to try it at the open though. That's my thing about the YouTube.
Go for a walk if you've been doing pretty bad, like me. But again, I have no emotion tied to trading, as all of you know. to say, a weapon in the market. You know, you're gonna take some hits, right? You're
That
gonna
is
take some hits.
break even. My Amazon was up so much,
You know, you're
and
gonna
then now it's
going
down
through, right?
because I have a 187 average. Disconnecting. I want to ask him how to avoid these fake outs because I'm getting faked out. You only need 2 screens. I get more hate on the monitors for I don't get it. I get more hate on for having like too many screens than anything. Like I literally at least a comment a day about the screens. Literally a comment every day about the screens. I don't get it. Like, so what? Like, what is the matter with you? I always had a big computer like this. When I was like 10, I built a computer that was like freaking nuts. I had a $3,000 computer when I was little. With like more screens than this. And I like play Counter-Strike on it all day. World of Warcraft. Seems pretty normal. I don't know. I know how to build computers too, so I guess that's like why I guess. So I've always had like pretty big, like pretty nice setups. That's why I actually hate when like I don't know. What is my Discord name? H dot dot dot. I definitely didn't do that. Who changed my Discord name? Oh, was streamer mode enabled. What? Why is that? That's weird. Dude, I feel like some people just join Discourse because they want to hear themselves, like, talk in a group. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I ask a valid question and it's, like, completely ignored because people are just putting in random shit about fucking stocks that they just want to give their opinion on. Like, I don't get it. It's actually really annoying. In a lot of Discords, there's just so many people that you can't. Like, actually ask a valid question, you know what I mean? People just posting random fucking charts. Like, no one gives a fuck about that fucking stock, bro. Like, some random shit no one's ever fucking heard of breaking out. Like, okay, then trade it. Like, you're back. Yeah, no, TikTok. If you're not, like, watching the TikTok stream, sometimes it'll, like, time you out and it thinks that you're not there. TSM down 4% on good earnings. Love that. Love that. We just gotta be. He's just saying that we have to be more careful about what we're doing now because the breakouts aren't working. So we have to either size down or just not take them or just have added confirmation. Oh, you went long? Yeah. Alright, let's see what our little portfolio is doing today. We are down. It's mainly due to Nvidia. Meta and Amazon not really doing anything. Coors is literally down 2 cents. Break even on that. Now it's up. Nvidia is if Nvidia breaks down below this low right here, tomorrow's low, I'm gonna just start scaling out of it and get back in it later, I think. Thank you guys for the follows. Thank you. Let me text my mom. I can still trade in my other account, which is disgusting. I told myself I wasn't gonna trade in that account. I was just buying shares in that account, which I've been doing, which is fine. But I feel like one day I'm just gonna like snap and fucking start trading options in my other account, and that would be really bad. Rivian's popping up though. Look, dude, I like the Rivians. I don't know why this company is doing so bad. It's down from. It's down a lot. Even this year, it's down. I don't know why it's doing so bad because the cars are kind of sick. They're better than Teslas, and they have like actual SUVs. Honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, they're like really actually pretty sick. I don't know why Rivian isn't getting more love because I see them all. Oh, God, dude. TikTok, I'm gonna shut off my streaming. I don't know why Rivian doesn't get more love, dude. Should I? I'm like stable streaming on YouTube right now. Here, let me actually. You know what? I'm gonna pull it up on my iPad and see. Kick notification is options buffet. Oh, options buffet has been fucking ripping, dude. Oh, app update required. Options buffet has been going crazy. He bought an SVJ. That's awesome, dude. I want a fucking SVJ. I really don't though. I would never. I don't think I'll ever buy an SVJ. I think if I was to get a supercar, let's see. My mom trades too, and like when she's green, she's like, when my mom is green, she's like she's green, um, one of her days can pay all my bills for the month. She trades a lot. I need since I was a belly. One of my mom's green days could pay all my bills for the entire month. She could pay off all my debt with one trade, actually. Which is kind of disgusting. I want to see this. I want to see my live on. Am I live? Oh, it's on.